Today we have this iPhone 4S and I'm going to be trying to make it as modern as possible. Look like it's running iOS 26 and maybe even be able to get some apps on it that you can't really get because they shut down the App Store. Let's go and get started. First we're going to have to jailbreak it. So to do that we're going to go to this website right here and we are going to click install certs. Click install, install. There we go. And now you should be able to go back here and click run. It didn't work first try, so let's go do it again. Didn't work that time either. Let's try again. Okay, I think we might be finally getting it to work. Alright, let's see if it worked. Oh, there we go. Now we have jailbroken it. That was the first step. Alright, so now that we have jailbroken it, we need to find some tweaks. Okay, we're gonna go and do that. Alright, let's reopen it. Alright, so now that we have done all that, we can add the first tweak that I want to add. Alright. Yep, right there. Alright, so we're going to click install. One thing we have to get. Alright. So as you can see, I finally got it to work. I had to get another tweak called snowboard, and then I had to downgrade it to make it work on here. But anyway, now there's still a lot of other stuff that makes it not be modern. First off, I added this one thing that if you push the button, it unlocks it, but there are still a couple things wrong with that. Where, see, this still shows up. Also, if you just push it, it immediately unlocks. And it still shows slide to unlock there. So I'll have to fix that. Alright, so now that we have done all that, I did a couple of things off camera. I will be showing you all the things I did, all the tweaks I got. Starting as you can see here, it says press home to unlock. And when I press home, it unlocks. Well, I have to enter the password. It's just 1234, and it is unlocked. Now I have this. I didn't do it right. Here we go. So, and then I had a couple of other tweaks. First off, I have this one called ersatz, which makes me be able to name stuff. Like right here, I replaced 9.3.6 with 26.4. It is a system-wide replacement text thing. So now, as you can see, if I were to go into general about, and now if you look at version, it says 26.4. I also got a couple more. So here's a list of them. I got lock screen tool, which all that does is it allows me to remove the little slidey things at the top and bottom that's normally on an iPhone 4. And the little camera thing, which makes it look more modern like this. And also I used ersatz to replace the slide to unlock with press home to unlock. The actual tweak that I am using to press the home to unlock is called Activator. And then I have a couple more that I don't really use that much. Well, there's NoBlur, which I use, and that gives me this, like, it takes away blur in a lot of things, like the notification center. I also got this other one for the control center called Cleo, I think, that makes the control center, well, it's very laggy. It does not run very well on this processor. It does not want to open. There we go. And the control center looks like this. Not really how the new one looks, but the best I can really get. Yeah, we have all that. Like I said, NoBlur. So what I was planning to do is getting this thing called App Store Fix, which should let me download apps, but unfortunately I cannot do that. It works for older iOS versions, but it does not work for iOS 9 yet because it just recently stopped support for the App Store, so they have to work on making it work for iOS 9. But hopefully they do that at some point, and then I'll be able to get it. I'll get it as soon as I can. And also, I did have some apps downloaded on here before they stopped support, because it was like January, I think, when they stopped support. I think Spotify works fine on here, but I can always sideload apps too, because it's jailbroken. I will be putting all of the links, well, not the links, but the names of all the tweaks I'm using in the description, as well as the repositories they are from. All the apps, like camera and all the apps on it, still look the same. But yeah, thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.